We are Telser Türen from Burgeis. Since 1990, we've been producing entrance doors, as well as door blanks for fire, acoustic and security. Our customers include hotels, public buildings, private customers and resellers. We employ around 85 people who produce approximately 12,000 doors per year. About 2.5 years ago, we decided to collaborate with Oertli because we realized that we needed different tools to increase productivity and achieve better quality. After acquiring the shank tools from Oertli, we were able to reduce the production time per door from 8 minutes to under 6 minutes. This allows us to manufacture more door leaves and casings per day.
Türblätter am Tag fressen. Mit den Oertli-Werkzeugen machen wir eigentlich.
With these shank tools, we perform all necessary drilling operations on the doors. That means we mill hinges, locks and door closers, as this tool allows us to drill through without causing tear out on the back side.
At
Telser Joinery, we've been able to introduce various tools and shank tools for different machining processes. It's fair to say that we've successfully increased productivity in their door production, extended tool life, and achieved a clean surface finish. Ultimately, Telser Joinery's satisfaction is also our satisfaction. We're still as satisfied with Oertli today as we were on the first day, and we would choose them again anytime.
I
think the best feedback always comes from the customer. If I may summarize, looking back, I can confidently say that in 3 years of great collaboration, we've significantly extended tool life, increased productivity, and significantly improved the quality of the machined surface.
Deutlich zu verbessern.